Okay, now moving into video number 5. So video 5, and still dealing with question 3, part C. Let me write down the question. Okay, so I'm thinking of a number m. If I divide it by 7 and then I subtract minus 5, that will give you 2. That's the story about. So I'll show you the backtracking in case you need it. I'm thinking of a number m. I am dividing that number 7. So it's the reverse BEDMAS. That'll give me m over 7. And then if I subtract minus 5, that gives me the answer 2. On the way back, if I add 5, that gives me 7. Why did I add 5? Because that's opposite to minusing 5 on the way forward. So 2 plus 5, that gives you 7. And now if I go backtracking from there, what is opposite to divide 7? Multiplies 7. So 7 times 7, this 7 times 7, that gives you 49 is the answer. That could be shown as you're working out during the test, or I think a little bit advanced working out would be, what is the first thing I'd like to do? I want to get rid of that negative 5, so I add positive 5. That's a recall. And my next line of written work is m over 7 equals 2 plus 5. So remember, we always write it in a separate row. We always write it in a separate row, new row. We do not continue that way. And that'll give you 7. And then what is the recall? This is divide by 7. This is divide by 7. So we got to multiply, which is the opposite of divide. And m will be 7 times 7. That gives you 49, which is the answer. Okay, just a suggestion from me. This method will be more effective. This will be because we'll be able to do more advanced work with that particular method. All right, let me see if I can show you one more before I stop this video. And right, so D is 3K. It doesn't look like a 3, so I'm going to erase it. That's one of the problems with my touch screen, so you got to excuse me. 3K minus 5 equals 26. That's the one I am about to do. I am not going to do the backtracking now. So these are my recall. During the test, I expect you to show that recall. What am I going to do first? I'll undo this, negative 5. And to undo negative 5, I'm going to add 5. So that'll give me 3K equals 26 plus 5. 3K equals, right? And then the next thing is to undo 3 times K, which is the reverse operation will be divided by 3. And am I right? Yeah, I think so. So divided by 3, and k will be 31 divided by 3. This is the way we write in algebra. Now dividing 31 by 3 is going to be a little bit tricky without a calculator. So if you don't have a calculator like MCAT, next year I'm talking about, uh, just leave it like that. Leave it as a fraction. Why do I suggest that? Because this is not the test where we are trying to figure out whether you know enough about fractional simplification, right? So we simply leave it like that, k equals 31 by 3, and we are going to accept it as the right answer. Okay, I will stop there with this video and come back later with more lovely videos for you people. I hope you are watching it.